Welcome to another Premiere Pro video. We're going to look at this Runaway Aurora effect here. So what I've got is pretty simple. So if you ever, by the way, like just want to hold, like you see this is still here. If you ever want to do that, so for instance, if I wanted to say this, like hold the frame here, I could do insert frame hold segment, and you would get that there. It would be like a hold on the frame. So all I've got here is the clip, and in here there's a background here that I put in. And we're going to take a look at how we can do the Runaway Aurora effect. So if we look at the keying section here, there's a few different keys that you can do. And probably the most useful ones are color key and luma key. So let's try the luma keys to start with. And here's my background, it's just there. And you get only a few options here. And I think something like, what was it, maybe 33. And I'm trying to remember the numbers I was using. Okay, let's so we want to lower the exposure, lower the shadows. Okay, so we've currently got the luma key and the lumetri color. Let's put the color key on top. That's not a bad effect. Kind of like the mountain actually is. Let's go back to the. Is there a reason it always selects the other clip? I don't know that. Let's go to the luma key. You get some other like interesting effects from it as well.